Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on accessibility on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so for those of you who don't know what accessibility is, so accessibility is a shortcut to make it easier for us to access certain features such as screenshot, power menu, adjusting volume and brightness just through this shortcut without having to bother looking for these features on our cell phone. And how to turn it on is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, the first, now you can go to settings menu and then scroll down till the end, and then you can go to additional settings. And then now you can go to accessibility and then go to accessibility menu, and then you can turn on the shortcut of accessibility. And then so yeah, here's the shortcut of accessibility that you can access. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on next video.